guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello. So right now we're going to do unboxing this one that I bought on Shopee. This is a foldable table and you can use to all those working from home. It's easy to install and it's easy to fold. So right now let's see how to set up this one. So I'm going to cut all the Scotch tape on the box, and also I'm speaking English right now because for the benefits of others that they wanted to see or to understand how to set up this foldable table. So be patient with my English. I'm not really good on it. So this one. I only bought this one for like $34 Singaporean dollars. So maybe in Philippine peso is like around 1, 2. So see how? So this is the table. So heavy. Actually, there are two kinds of for this table. The one is the cheapest one, like around $20. But I bought the heavy duty because I think I prefer this one. So one of the my yaya is working from home. Bakit? May yaya bang nag-o-office? So here it is. I lost it. Nagpapanggap. So as you can see, the material is aluminum. And the witch is laughing at the background. This is the witch. Yeah. Because Halloween is coming and the witch is there.
Say it again.
Witch. So it's aluminium. Actually there are a variety of colors for this. They have the blue one, the black one, green something, but I usually choose it's either black or white. Actually I don't like the colorful one because it looks like a cake. So this one, as you can see, they have a handle so you can carry it once you don't need this table anymore. Or see, so convenient. And now we're going to set up this. Okay, you need to remove this one first. And try. So I bought the heavy duty, so as you can see, this is the difference of the heavy duty and the light one. The light one is not stable. And there's two specific height need to set up. So you just need to pull it up, then lock. The other one, lock. Okay. Then
Hirap na hirap po siya.
like this. You still need to lock here on this side to make it stable. See, and this one. Also on the other side, here and here. And you need to lock here, and lock here. I think I still need to pull it up because it's too low. Try one more. Oh, that's the last one. I know. I need to pull this. Struggles.
Just like your struggles in life.
Yeah. Okay. Then the other side. You need to push this button to pull it up. And as you can see, when you already push, you need to lock it up. The button should show here. Lock. The other side, lock. And now we can use it. See? It's so easy, right? This is a work from home. So it's done. This is how you're going to set up the foldable table. You can buy it in Shopee. So to all those people who watch on my video, thank you. Until to my next vlog. Bye!
Sorry, it's DJ.